Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Anyway. In this video, what about I talk to you for? Please close interception before starting the game. Launching error exit. Okay, now exit then close it that error. After that, before like and comment this video, subscribe our YouTube channel and one by one follow to this problem fix it. Okay, let's go ahead. That like Rust, Abyss Legion and Fortnite error. Some games errors like it. Okay, now then first step run as admin. That games then right click. Example I take it 49, so then properties, then compatibility mode. Below run this program is selected, then below run this program is administrator selected. Hit the apply and OK button, click here to close it. And go to the next step. That step download file and interception file. This file go to the your browser, open the interception, search the interception GitHub. I shortly finish it GitHub, then go to the release, click on it to go to below and interception, click on it to download. Then go to the extract zip file, extracted then that file location find, then copy it, then go to the next method, that method for command promote. So open it to the search bar, then type that command promote, then run as administrator, click on it, then S click on it to open it, then cd space give that location, then paste. Okay, after that enter click here. Okay, now dir enter, then go to this code, copy to paste. See there, this code, copy or type to paste it, then after that your problem fix it. Already uninstall it, so this error showing there, then exit after. Okay, after then your problem fix it. Thanks for watching and like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe. Please subscribe our channel. Also more information or more methods you want, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Comment section, go to comment it. I will give the answers.